All right, guys. So it's Crypt Minute here. So today we're going to do Umee Testnet, the second testnet on Umee, Umeemania Testnet. So it started on the 15th, and it says it's going to run about 3 to 4 weeks. So we still have times to do that. So let's go through some of the articles here, the writings. Welcome to Umeemania. If this is your first time participating in a Umee Testnet, incentivized. By the way, we are thrilled to have you, and if you are a seasoned veteran of our testnet, glad to have you back. I am. And how it works. So Yimi rewards participants based on their TVL, that's total value locked. That means you have to participate actively. This testing is not something you do once a day and then go and relax. You have to do it like continually because the reward will be based on your total value locked. So I'll show that your supply and then you borrow your supply and then you increase your total value lock. To be held on Umee's current testnet along with other supported testnet tokens such as Atom, Osmo Juno, and more. Of course, Umee is included too, and there's more are coming. So very important, very important. In case you've had Kepler wallet before, you have to create a new Kepler wallet. Very important. They stressed on that, and they said that if you don't have a new Kepler wallet or if you don't use a new Kepler wallet, you are likely not going to be rewarded. So make sure that you create a new Kepler wallet. I'll also show us to do that too. Create a new Kepler wallet. Don't use the old one. Create a new Kepler wallet. And their reason is that when you go on the faucet and request for faucet, some people can copy your wallet and then they can do stuff with your wallet, so they don't want to put you in danger. So that's why they stress on you having a new Kepler wallet or using a new Kepler wallet for the testnet. Okay, I will put all the links. Let me. I need this one. I need this. Um, I'll put all the link on the description. No, this is not what I was looking for. What is it? Using testnet. Yeah, this is what I clicked. Okay, faucet link. All right, so I need this faucet link to get Holy faucet. Right, so let's go straight to the matter. All right, so here we are on the dashboard of the testnet. I'll put the link on the description. You don't have to bother yourself. I'll put the link. All the articles, I'll put the link on the description. And the faucets. So first and first, for you to get the faucet, you have to join. That's for you to get the email faucet. You have to join their Discord. You have to join their Discord server. So when you join the Discord, you all right. So when you join the Discord, if it's your first time of joining, you have of course you do the verification. Then after you're done with that, you click this join here. You click the join here, and you scroll to the bottom and react to this emoji. This is it there. You react to it. Once you click it, they will give you access to this faucet. If you don't react, you will not have access to it. So you react, come here first, scroll to the bottom, react to this, then you have access to this faucet. Though sometimes it will take time because of the number of people that are trying to get the faucet rule. It will take time, or it might take time depending. Some person get it earlier than some, so just be patient with them. They're working on it. So once you do that, so this is where you claim your faucet. This is where you claim your faucet. So see how people are claiming it. That you do this how to claim it. Request. Then your address. You just space your address. I'll show you all that. So let's go to the testnet. So once you come here, first thing you need to do is to connect a wallet. Of course, you must have your Kepler. And how you get your Kepler wallet, you go to Kepler.app. I'll put the link on the description. You enter it. Then you click on install Kepler for Chrome. Then you click on install. I've already installed mine. Then here is supposed to be installed. You click it and install. Then you set it up. You set it up. Click on create new. Of course, like I said, they say we should use new Kepler wallet. So you click on create new. Then you make sure you keep your seed phrase, your recovery phrase safe somewhere, safe. Then after that, set it up and stuff. Then MetaMask, the same thing. You go to metamask.io, metamask.io. I'll put the link also in the description. Then you download for Chrome as Chrome extension. Install MetaMask on Chrome. Download as Chrome extension. It will take you to the Chrome web store. Then you click and install and set it up and click on create new wallet. Also keep your recovery phrase safe somewhere. So when you're done, of course, your MetaMask need to be in Goerli network. That's where they're operating on. So I'll show you how to set it to that. So after you're done setting up your wallet, click on your MetaMask. Then you click here, click on settings, come to advanced. Then you come to show test networks. You select it, you like put it up. So this is how it will be when you come here. So you turn it on. Then when you turn it on, you come to this network place. It will be there. Then you now select on. You select Goerli test networks. So let's get our Ethereum faucet first. Mountain or hill. Oh, yeah, yeah. So paste your network here, your wallet address. Send me Ethereum. All right, should be delivered. Let's go to our wallet and check what's happening. Not here yet, but it will be there. It will be there. All right, it will be there. Okay, it's here now. 0.1 ETH. So now when you come here for the first time, you come to wallets, click here and connect your wallet. You connect the five of them. This is Umee, this is Cosmos, Osmo, Juno, MetaMask. You connect all of them. Then when you're done connecting all of them, you open your Kepler wallet. Then you scroll to the bottom. These are your Umeemania addresses. Atom Umeemania, Umee Umeemania, Osmo Umeemania, Juno Umeemania. So these are the addresses you will use to get faucets from their Discord. The four of them, the ones that has Umeemania. So this is the address you copy. You copy here. You come to their Discord. When you come to their Discord, after you do, this is exclamation, right? Yeah, exclamation request. You paste the address and send. I've requested before, I've claimed before, so I can't claim again. I'm not be eligible. So you claim it, you do it one after the other. Don't paste all the addresses at the same time. You do it one after the other. The countdown is just 15 seconds. So after 15 seconds, you go and copy the second one again. You just come here, you come to Umee, you copy it, you go and use the same function. So the only thing you will change is the address. So I just have to change my address, but I'll still use the same command, but the address will change and send and do the same till you claim the four of them. That's for Umee, Atom, and Osmo, and then Juno. That's the four you will use. So when you're done, you come and when you're done, it's time to now start interacting. So first thing you need to do is that you have to transfer Atom, your Juno, and then your Usmo to native Umee. For instance, I have faucet here. Let's see something. For instance, I have Atom, but if I want to supply, let's say I want to supply, there's nothing here to supply, but I have Atom. So first thing you need to do, okay, let's test for Umee. You see, Umee, there's something to supply because Umee is already in its own native self. I don't know how to say it, but you get the point. It's already Umee. You get, but you need to convert all these ones to Umee as well. Juno Umee, Atom Umee, Osmo Umee before you be able to supply them. So if you check Osmo, there's nothing there. But if you go to wallet, we have something. So let's check Osmo. We have something there. So we'll come to market and we have to transfer. We are transferring to Umee. So we max it, transfer. All right, was it successful? We come to Juno, we max it and transfer. We come to Osmo, we max it and transfer. Then we no need to transfer Umee because Umee is already in its native Umee. So we come to supply. Let's say it's still taking time to appear. Okay, but see the logic here. When you come to, let's go back. You see Osmo, there's nothing here now. We come to Atom, there's nothing to Juno, there's nothing. So, but where are they? If you come to Umee, they are all here. So that's the logic. So let's start with supplying Umee while waiting for other guys to show. So let's supply. I have to reserve some because of gas fee. So okay, we've supplied. So I can now come to Umee and borrow against. Okay, before you borrow, you have to enable this as a collateral. So I'll click that to enable. So my Umee is now a collateral against my borrowing power. Okay, so I'll come to borrow and borrow against what I've just supplied. So I'm able to borrow 6 Umee. Is it not too small? I feel 6 Umee is too small. Oh, it's just $4. Yeah. Oh, no wonder. Okay. Okay, let's borrow what we're able to borrow. Borrow. So when you borrow, now take it, that same thing that you borrow and supply. So after you borrow, you come to supply and supply it. I will not say supply everything because I need some for gas fee. So you borrow, you supply, you borrow, you supply. That's how you increase your total value log. Because remember, they said that reward is based on total value log. So you have to borrow and supply to increase your total value log. So let's check this, guys. Whether it's okay. Atom is here now. See what I was saying. So we supply. So if you didn't transfer it first, you'll not be able to see it. And people are complaining that they have not seen it because they have not transferred using IBC. You have to use IBC and transfer it. So just come to market, click on transfer and transfer it. So also we're going to enable Atom as our collateral. So we supplied Atom. Let's see our total. Whoop. See our total value locked. Pops up. So I can be able to borrow $2,000. So let's go and borrow Atom. Let's borrow everything we can borrow. Okay. You borrow, you come to supply. Make sure that you're maintaining healthy borrow. You come to your dashboard. Make sure that you're not liquidated. So don't over borrow. Usually what I do is that I don't know, what I do is that I don't borrow everything. I put it at 75%. I'll borrow 75%, then come and supply everything, then go back and borrow another 75%, come back and supply everything because I don't want to be liquidated. Because if you are liquidated, that means your value lock is gone. So it's almost like you're starting afresh. So make sure that you are you balance your borrowing and supply ratio. So don't just borrow and leave and borrow and borrow. No, when you borrow, come back and supply before you go and borrow another one. So after I borrow, I'll come back and supply everything. So if you come to dashboard now, you see that the borrow limit has adjusted. So before it was here because I've supplied, so I still have some. So this is healthy supply to borrow ratio. So this is supposed to be my limit and this is supposed to be my liquidation. But you can see the distance between where I am and the limit. So it's healthy. So I can still borrow another one because I still have some. Um, so I'm borrowing. So this is what I do. For me to increase my total value lock, I have to borrow, and supply, borrow, supply, such that the my ratio of borrowing now becomes slim. They are now stop until I get another faucet. But this is how I increase my total value lock. Because since it's based on total value lock, I have to, and they even said it from the article that you have to borrow and supply to increase your total value lock. So this is how I do it. I borrow, I come and supply, I supply everything. So for each of the assets, this is what I do for each of the assets. So we will come to dashboard. See our total value lock has increased to 7,000, and then we still have some space. Let me do another. Let me supply another project. Juno is here. Let's supply. All right. So we come to dashboard. Let's see. 10,000. 10,000 bucks. That's tough. So after you supply, make sure that you enable it as collateral so they can be able to borrow against. So after that, I come and borrow from Juno. So I'll be able to borrow 40 Juno, 1,000 bucks. All right. I borrow, supply. Wait, it failed. Yeah. I wanted this to happen, so I show you something. When you borrow, now if you do it and it failed the first time, so all you have to do is to increase your gas. So you click on that set gas, make it 25. 250,000. Just enter 5 there and approve. You should be able to go through now. So let's watch. All right, it was successful. So if it failed, let's go and change it from 200,000 to 250. So let's go and supply the whole 40. So let's go for Osmo supply. So let's go and borrow. First, let's enable it as collateral. Then let's borrow against it. Okay, it failed again. We have to increase the gas. So you click on set gas. Just enter 5 here. Approve. Successful. Come to supply and supply. So that's all you do. I don't want the video to be long, so I'll now take my time and borrow more and supply more. So that's just what you do. You borrow and supply, borrow and supply, borrow and supply. Now we have 11,000, but I can let me do one more on Juno. Wait, what is saying? I can borrow up to 5,000. You see my borrow limit and then my benchmark is becoming slimmer. If you can notice, this is my borrow limit 5,000, and this is what I have borrowed. So until it becomes almost the same, that's when you know that you've reached your threshold of borrowing and supplying. But then let me see if there's anyone I have not supplied that will make it. I feel it's too early. I feel it's too early. Okay. So let me borrow Juno. So you see it's small now. It's only 0.5 Juno I can borrow. So when it becomes this small, that's when you know that okay, probably it's time for it to end. Some are becoming slimmer. So all of them, they've all reached their threshold of borrowing. So what I'll do is that I have to wait again till I get another faucet and I'll start borrowing and supplying. So when I'm borrowing and it becomes this, your borrowing limit becomes small. That's when you know that it's time for you to end for the time being till you get another faucet. Because remember, the aim of all this borrowing and supplying is to get to increase your total value of what was that? So if you so that's the aim to increase your total value log because the reward will be based on total value log. So which one do we go Osmo? Let's supply it. Alright, so let's see. We have 12,000 now. So I have 12,000 today. Tomorrow I'll get another 12,000. Next tomorrow I'll get another 12,000 because I'm trying to increase my total value log. And probably by the time they introduce other um assets, like they say they will introduce other assets, so it keep on increasing. So if you're somebody that did it just once and somebody that is doing it every day, the ratio of the reward is so different because the person must have had a high total value locked compared to somebody that did it just once. So make sure that you do it every day. And okay, there's something else you're supposed to breach, though this one is not as, I don't think it's that important, but let's just see it. So this is for Cosmos, this is Ethereum. I don't have I don't have I don't have this thing again. But you can supply from, like, you breach your assets to Ethereum, and then you supply it with Ethereum. This one came my mind, but I don't think it's that important. The main important thing is that you increase your total value lock. I think so, and that's what they said. They never said it's important that you do it from all the angles, but you can still do it from all the angles. And besides, Ethereum is taking more time, takes more time to do it. But if you want to do this, what you do, come to markets and transfer. That means you're transferring to Ethereum. But I don't have Ethereum now. I don't have Atom now. I've supplied also. Probably when you get yours, you can do it. Okay, let's see. I have, let's see. Okay, transfer. Let's do with Umee. I have small Umee. So I've transferred to Ethereum. Okay, it's transferred. So let's say supply. No, Umee is not on supply, so it's only Atom you can do. It's only Atom you can do that with. So Umee is not on Ethereum. So when you get your Atom, just do it transfer to um let's come here. You transfer your Atom to Ethereum, then you go to your supply. You must also must be on Ethereum. Then you come to your supply and supply from that Ethereum that you transfer to. You now supply it, and then you now borrow it. The whole of it is just to increase your total value of that. So whether you're using only Cosmos or both of them, the most important thing is to increase your total value of. So have a nice day, guys, and take action.